Hello, welcome to Planet. We are going to convert our old diary to a new planner. So, this is my old diary, which is from 2014, and this is how it looks like. So, I'm going to convert this into a new planner. So, I'm cutting out few scrapbook pieces to make my planner. So, these are the papers which I have collected from the old magazines or wherever you wish, or the old calendars or something like that, because I wanted to keep it more simple and affordable that anybody can make. So I'm using all this. Or else you can also get a printout, or else you can use the stickers that you can buy from the stationery stores. Here are the few stickers or the scrap that I have collected, or you can also use the colored papers. So here I'm just collecting paper from the pamphlet or something like that. So I'm just showing this because so that anybody can make, so they don't need to think that okay, to make this old journal to new journal you also need to invest. But here I'm just showing it in such a way that you don't need to invest in anything. Just from the scrap you can create the new planner. So here I'm showing few simple techniques. So there are so many techniques that you can search on internet. This, and here I'm showing you few simple that everyone can make it. Here I'm going to make a paper frame for the cover page of your planner. So this is very simple and very easy, so everybody can make this. So in the first page, here I am using the a paper from the newsletter. So I'm just cutting down this yellow paper because it's bright, so that I thought I can use this one. So cut according to your page size. So and then attach it with the glue. Here you can also use the normal white paper, or you can also use a color paper instead, or you can also use a scrapbook paper. I have cut down these few strips from the magazine using a decorative scissors. So this is the frame. So you can use the glue stick here, so it's perfect. And this frame, here you can insert your picture, or you can insert a code or any picture. It's very simple, so that's the reason I was showing this. And here are few paper flowers and few paper cutouts. So these paper flowers I have used a paper punch to make this, or else you can also make a very simple and basic shapes for the scissors. So it's not a big deal. So here I am using these paper flowers to decorate the frame. So this is also optional, or you can do it according to your choice. Or you can also use stickers or paper cutouts from the magazines. So you can insert your picture here like this. So in the next page, and the next page is like I'm just going to make here a yearly planner. So here I have cut down few white paper strips so that it covers the backdrop, or you can even attach a single sheet of paper for each page. But to make it more easier, so I have used these cutouts. And these are the few color papers, few scrap papers to make it more colorful. As these are very small pieces, you can find it anywhere in your house. So here I am just making to cover the ear. So in this page, in this part, I'm going to write down the ear. So to make it more visible and colorful and attractive, I'm using the highlighters. You can also use the felt tips or any markers if your paper is thick. So as the paper behind is very thin, so I'm using this highlighters so that they will not print in the back side. So here these are the few paper stickers that I also collected from the magazines. So I'm just using them to decorate the yearly planner, so it looks more just like a store-bought one. And also you can use the stickers of your choice. So here I'm writing down the monthly calendar. So in these 2 pages I have allotted for all the 12 months. So this yearly planner helps in marking down few important dates. You can also write under the calendar. You can write down the important notes or important dates. So for the next page I'm using 2 white papers. So the left side of the page is for the vision board. So here I'm just using a small washi tape, so just to keep it very simple. So this is one paper which I have colored with a crayon and then attaching it, and here I'm using a black pen, a gel pen, just to decorate. So this is the monthly cover page. So from here on it starts the month. So here you need to change only the days, like Monday, Tuesday, so you need to change only those. So you don't need to change the numbers like 1 2 3, you don't need to change those. So cover only the days like Monday, Tuesday. So here I'm using this paper punch flower, so I have just attached it at those days. So you can write it down the days here. For example, it starts with Friday, so you write F. So you use only the first letter of the day, so it is very easy. So the best part is you don't need to change the numbers, the only thing is you need to change the days. So this is an A4 paper, which is a color paper, because I was planning for the cover page for each and every month, and again this is also completely optional. So I'm just cutting it according to the page size of my diary. You can also use white papers instead if you don't have the colored one. The paper you cut out must be smaller than the page size of your diary, so that it would be inserted very easily. So here I'm just giving a small fold. So I'm going to apply glue for this part, and then I will attach it at every start of the month. So here are few color pages that I have cut out according to the size of my diary. So here I'm just going to attach it. So this is very easy. So in the coming videos I'll be showing more this type of videos. Hope you like. If you like, please don't forget subscribe my channel and share the video, and also don't forget to comment about your opinion about this diary, and also what type of videos would you like to watch on my channel. So please do comment. And it is not necessary to attach the color paper, you can also use the paper from your notebook and you can decorate it later. So here are the few months that I have cut out from the old calendars, and the same way the flowers from different magazines, or some old greeting cards, or from the old calendars. So here I'm just using a glue stick to attach this one. This is a very simple and easy cover page that everybody can do, or if you are very good at calligraphy thing, you can also write it down with a black marker. So I'm not good at writing so perfect, so I'm using this, and here I'm using a small gel pen, drawing up small hearts, and this is very simple, and that's it. So for the next month you can also decorate with the color paint. Here I'm drawing a Christmas tree, as this is a Christmas month. So for the next month you can also use the paper cutouts just like I'm using here. And if you're not good at writing, you can also use stencil like this. First use pencil instead of a marker, so then you can use a felt tip pen, and don't forget to put a paper behind so that it will not print on the next page. So here I'm just drawing a few small circles, as I have this stencil, or you can just draw it with a free hand. So this is how this monthly page looks like. So here I'm just going to decorate cover this 2014 with this washi tapes. So, or you can also use paper stickers, or you can just write down 2021 or whichever the year. So this is how I have covered, and here I am using the small paper flowers just to decorate the cover, or simply you can use the stickers from the store bought, which is very easy. So this is a die cut paper. So I'm using this to here you can write down your name or the year. So this is also completely optional. You can use the paper stickers, and that's it. Our planner is ready. So this is how it looks like. So this is the month of February, and this is for March. So hope you like my idea. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Planet. So see you in the next video.